Morning traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Welcome to this week's Trade Zone Ocean session market outlook. So at the moment we're seeing risk markets continue on. So we saw higher closes from US indexes on Friday. We also saw higher closes, mainly higher closes as well on currencies and crypto markets. Now crypto had another very solid weekend. We'll get to that in a moment. Here, a small gap in the US 30 as it's come online for Monday's session. At the moment as well, this morning we're seeing the Aussie, the Euro and the Pound trading higher to the dollar and trading higher to the yen as risk markets continue to trade higher after some gains on Friday's session. So the euro here, we're still watching to see if it can form a continuation, and the euro yen, similar story here. We're going to see if it can get back up to test them or maybe set new weekly highs. The dollar yen continued to push higher. We are seeing a little bit of higher movement today. It's totally trading in that 150, 146 area, and the Kiwi is trading higher this morning as well to the dollar. At this stage, the ASX has just come online, and it's really just eking up. It's at 0.03% higher. We'll just refresh that as it comes out. It opens alphabetically, so it takes a little bit of time to get going. We can see at this stage, 0.03% higher, but we'll look to see if those gains will continue. Also, there's the positive leads for the Nikkei this morning as well, and combined with a lower Japanese yen at this stage as well in the morning. And also gold had a positive start to the week at this stage. We'll just update that. So after another decline on Friday, we can see a positive start to this week, but momentum is still on the side of the sellers. Now we just want to touch on a few markets. So oil had a nice fight back on Friday, and we'll see if that momentum can continue into this week, and we'll see if it can clear last Thursday's high with a new rally today. If not, we'll look to see if this level here can hold as support. So the other markets we just touched on before we wrap up today's video, and that's been cryptocurrencies. So cryptos continue to see pretty solid gains, so we can see over the weekend here. But one of the big leaders has been AVAX. We can see the driving rallies to finish off the week and the weekend. So we can see those two bars over the weekend and today's rally here after Friday. And Solana as well has been just another market just seeing really one-way traffic at this stage. And we can see over the weekend the move had up into the 60s. It really wasn't too long ago that it was down at $15, and now it's testing into the 60s. So those two markets have seen a lot of demand and a lot of interest over the weekend and into this week as well, and some pretty stellar returns being seen on those two at this stage. So they're probably the two leading ones in the top cryptos. ADA as well has also been pretty solid. XRP had a bit of a stall. We can see after it tested back into the 70s, we've had a bit of a pullback, and it's stalling a little bit at this stage at the moment. Now just checking out some of the other UX indexes early into the new week of trade, seeing the NDX 100 0.03% higher and the SPX 0.06% higher. So at this stage the ASX is really just stalling a bit, and it is at 0.0%. It's pretty quiet open to start this week, even though we did have some pretty good leads from US indexes with 1.15% added on the Dow, 1.56 on the S&P, and 2% added on the Nasdaq on Friday's session. So that's some of the things that going on early on Monday, and we will be back with another video a little bit later with the economic outlook for this week, and then we'll have our market update as well for this week. So thank you very much for your time this morning. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we will get back to you soon with more information about some of the economic reports that are coming out this week, and some of the data to keep an eye on as well. So thanks again, and bye for now.